Okay, let's look at this example a little bit more. So my function is, if I look at this function, what can I say about it? Well, I got one. Zoom up a little bit. Come up a little bit. And then I got two. Now it is increasing. Then it's decreasing. And then it's increasing again. So very, very roughly, it's increasing. And then at 1, it starts to decrease. And then at 2, it starts to increase again. Okay, so very roughly, I have some shape like that. So I hope you can see that we're moving towards using derivatives to sketch graphs. All right, let's do definition here. Definitely important. Well, we're just going to do this visually. If you have a function that does something like, doesn't matter so much. So this is a function, we'll say, f of x, whatever. Okay, so we have this top of the hill. Okay, we call this a local maximum. Or relative maximum. Okay, so later we're going to define absolute maximum. That's obviously not what we have here, because over on the left, the function gets bigger. And these two valleys, we call them local minimums, or you can say local minima to pluralize minimum. So we got local max, local mins, sometimes called relative max or relative mins. Okay, so relative as opposed to absolute. The word local comes in because, like locally, if I zoom in here and forget the rest of it, that hill there is locally a maximum, not globally. Okay, more precisely, what do we got here? Let's say this is the point C here. F of C, the corresponding y value, is a local maximum if f of c is bigger than or equal to f of x for x near c. That's the more precise definition. Okay, the definition for a local minimum would be similar, but the sense of the inequality would switch. Okay, together, we give them a name. So local maxima and local minima together are called relative extrema or local extrema. Okay, the words local and relative are used, both used very quite commonly. So these are extrema. Extrema is a plural, because these are extreme values of the function, okay, locally extreme values. So we'll sometimes say relative extrema.